Overcoming challenges in lean management implementation. We will explore the obstacles that organizations face when trying to adopt lean management and provide strategies for overcoming these challenges to achieve lean success. Understanding lean management. Lean management is a methodology that focuses on eliminating waste, reducing costs, and improving overall productivity. By identifying and removing inefficiencies in processes, organizations can become more agile and competitive in today's fast-paced business environment. Common obstacles in lean implementation. Lack of leadership commitment. One of the most significant barriers to successful lean implementation is a lack of buy-in from top management. Without strong leadership support, it can be challenging to drive the necessary changes throughout the organization. Resistance to change. Employees may resist adopting lean practices due to fear of the unknown or concerns about job security. Overcoming this resistance requires effective communication and clear explanations of how lean principles will benefit both the organization and its employees. Lack of training and education. Implementing lean practices requires a shift in mindset and a new way of working. Without adequate training and education, employees may struggle to understand and implement lean principles effectively. Strategies for overcoming lean management challenges. Leadership involvement. Engage senior leaders in the lean implementation process to demonstrate their commitment and support. Leadership involvement can help drive change and create a culture of continuous improvement. Employee involvement. Involve employees at all levels in the lean implementation process. Seek their input, feedback, and ideas for improving processes. By engaging employees in the change process, you can increase buy-in and ownership of lean practices. Training and development. Provide employees with the training and education they need to understand lean principles and how to apply them in their daily work. Invest in continuous learning to ensure that employees have the skills and knowledge to support lean initiatives. Conclusion. In conclusion, by addressing the challenges of lean management implementation head-on and implementing the strategies outlined above, organizations can overcome obstacles and achieve lean success.